Customer, need adjustable door hinge has both vertical and horizontal adjustment. Has numbers 903 and 921 stamped on the back of the hinge. Response: that is our part number 816. Seacoast finish would probably be the closest match in color, but there are other finishes available you can take a look at. From your picture, that is a left-hand hinge. We also have right-hand hinges if you need right hand as well. Part number 816 can be ordered on our website windowpartscenter.com. Website shows pricing and stock quantities.